This is Marco from needlepartner.com, and today I want to talk with you about the importance of wearing your heart on your sleeve. I think it's really important to be really open and honest about how you feel, especially when you're dating, especially when you're looking for that potential partner. Because you wanna start off the relationship in a good way. You wanna start off with being very open, because you want to have a relationship like that where you're really open and honest about how you feel. So conflicts either don't come up at all or are resolved very quickly. And I think a lot of conflicts, almost all conflicts, are caused or are facilitated by people they're having like some feelings and they're just not talking about it. They're avoiding. And then there's a conflict, inevitably. And so that I think is really important. I recently talked with a woman about that, and I was telling her that I think it's really important to do that when you're looking for a relationship, or even if you're not looking for a relationship in general, just being open and honest about how you feel, and to not and the best strategy is really to wait. Okay, so like right in that moment, you're having the conversation, or you're interacting with somebody. And right at the moment where the feeling comes up, that's like the ideal time to say, I feel X. I feel sad. I feel happy. I feel frustrated. I feel this. I feel that. I feel nervous. Like especially, for example, if you are on a first date, you can say to that woman, I'm feeling nervous right now. And that will really alleviate the tension a lot. Yeah, for you, because now you don't have to hide your nervousness. So it even gets diminished by telling her, and also for her, because she knows. I mean, like whenever you interact with people, they kind of know what feelings are going on, at least subconsciously. But if you bring that to the conscious mind for you and for her, then it's no longer a problem, because it can be dealt with. And she said, yeah, it's a good strategy, but most people, they don't know what they feel like. So that's another thing, and that's a way where you can train even before you have that first date, to train yourself to notice what are you feeling. So first and foremost, be honest with yourself. What feelings come up in your day-to-day life when you're interacting with people, and also when you're alone? Notice what feelings come up. And like one strategy is, I mean, if nothing else works, just set yourself a timer throughout the day for certain times, maybe 3 times a day, that just says, how am I feeling? Just so you get used to asking yourself, what am I feeling? And then practice it with your friends. Yeah, try to be open and honest with them. And it's different for every relationship. Some relationships, if you're not that close to somebody, you might not want to tell that person how you feel. It's something that honesty, I think, is something that has to be earned and should only be given to people who can handle it, or who deserve it, who will react in a good way towards that. But the closer the relationship is, the more honest I would say you should be, and with yourself. Even if you don't tell anybody else, with yourself, I think it's best if you're really 100% completely honest. And yeah, and then you will be able to have that skill It's really a skill that will take you a long way in life, not just in dating, but a long way in life and a long way to discovering really who you are and what your real goals are. And it will also make you much happier, because if you're consumed by sadness or by anger or whatever, and you don't acknowledge it, that fills you, like that fills your whole body. But if you acknowledge it, you can deal with that, and only then there is room for happiness. Okay, so that will really help you a lot, not just in dating but in life. But in dating, it's a really cool thing to do, and the woman I talked to, like, she really liked that, you know. So people who are honest and open with their feelings, you might think, especially if you're a man, like, I don't talk about my feelings, I'm a real man, you know. But you're actually more of a man if you acknowledge your feelings and listen to your body and listen to your feelings and telling your feelings. You're more of a man. And I tell you, this is from experience, I tell you, you'll seem much, much sexier towards the opposite sex. Okay, that's the message for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with the daily dating advice. Go to needlepartner.com to join the discussion. Ciao, until tomorrow.